everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxyluxe unboxing for September 2020. I'm so excited. This thing is super heavy, so I'm super excited to see what's in here. So let's get right into this, and I'm just gonna open it up so you guys can see what's in there. So I got variation number 21, and the theme this month is Glam Vibes Only. It's like a road with stop signs, and that's what it looks like. So the first thing that I see is this thing right here. It's calling my name. What is this? What is this? It's Illuminating Gradual Tan Lotion. So it's a tanning lotion. I think I did choose this one. I did choose this product. Go ahead and open it. It smells really good. I don't know exactly what it smelled like. I can't put my hand on it. It kind of smells like, kind of like lemony. I don't know if it says what the scent is. No, it's like, it doesn't smell bad. It actually smells really good. Very clean. Sorry for my son. He will not leave the room for me to do this video. So we're just gonna have to deal with him because he's 2 and everything. So, and he wants to be a YouTuber, obviously. Right now he's obsessed with excavators, so yeah. Okay, so this is the first thing. Let me see what that retails for. What did I do with my, oh, right there. Okay, so it's Tan-Luxe. That's the brand. And this retails for $33, and this is full size. So super excited about that. Pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing, let's just grab something. We'll grab this. Okay, get back. You have to get back. So this is by Kate, Somerville. It's skin health experts, all skin types. So it's basically like a face exfoliator. I actually picked this one out too. So these are the 2 items that I did pick out during choices, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if it has a smell or anything. It's actually sealed, and I don't want to open it just yet, just because I have so many other things. It kind of smells like pumpkin. Okay, stop taking stuff out of the box. Get up out of here. You can't be an unboxer, boy. Okay, and this retails for, how much does this retail for? Somerville, $85. That's insane. That is insane. $85? What? So I may have to open this to try it just to see how it works, because that's expensive. Okay, the next thing that's in the box, let's just go ahead and grab this right here, which is what my son had. It is a lip gloss by Persona. I think that's how you say that. And it is the shade Toffee. He's riding his car on top of my box. Yeah, I don't know if I'll wear this. Like, I like light brown shades. Stop. But this is like super, super dark. So I don't know how I'm gonna like this. Hold on. Just chunk it over there. Okay. But I don't know. It just seems like it's going to be really dark. I'm not even going to put that on my lips because that's not going to go. Okay, it's not bad. Because it is a lip gloss, it's going to sheer out. It's not going to look bad. Okay, that's not bad. Actually happy that it's a lip gloss, because that doesn't look bad. Doesn't really have a taste.
Oh, geez.
It doesn't really have a strong smell either. It just smells, it smells good. But it doesn't really have a smell. And this retails for $16, so that's not bad for a lip gloss. $16. If I really like it, it's affordable for me to repurchase, so I'm happy about this. This I will probably not be repurchasing unless it's like a miracle, because $85, that's pretty expensive. Okay, next thing that's in the box. This box was super heavy. I'm like, what is in here that's making this so heavy? Let's go ahead and grab this right here. This is probably what's snow. Ooh, yes, I've seen someone unbox this and I was hoping I would get it. I was praying. This is by Pure. This retails for $49 and it is a brush set. Look how cute this is. I'm like smelling the plastic. It smells like plastic. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 brushes in this brush set. They do kind of look cheapy for $49. Like even this, like that is really long and flimsy. There's like powder coming out of it. Literally, no lie. But we'll see how they work. So they do not have names, but they do have numbers on the brushes. Like this is a P50. So I like it when the brushes have numbers. P10. It has a little spoolie, so you can comb out your eyelashes or brush out your eyebrows. Let's just go through all these. This is like a packer brush so that you can actually place the eyeshadow on your lids. You can use it for concealer. This is really good for actually concealer under the eyes, or you can use it to put on face masks, but it's really small, so I'd prefer to use it for concealer. This thing would be great for packing on eyeshadow or using for like just carving out your brows. Same, actually this would be a really good lip pencil right here. Can you take that over there? Ooh, it flew. Okay, this is a eyebrow pencil. Shh. That is like a, this would be good to set your under eyes because it's really small. This is a contour brush so you can get right into those cheeks. That is a dome brush. You can use it to buff out your crease. That's a really small dome brush though. Like you would have to work with that. That's really good for like underneath your eyes. Put the eyeshadow underneath there. You can use this to carve out your brows or put something like to for concealer and stuff. That would be a good brush for that. And this is an all over powder brush. We'll see how they last and everything. I'll keep you guys updated on those. I'm sure you guys will see me use those many times on my channel. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, this retails for $49, which is really expensive for like, I don't know, for a brush set. I mean, it is a lot of brushes though, so that's a full face. I mean, if you did want a full face brush set. So not too bad, not too bad. The next thing I see is this right here, and it is by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Killawatt foil. I think this is actually has 2 shades in here because it says 7-day WKND in poolside. So I'm thinking it's 2 colors. I've seen that. And it is, what are these, highlighters? I could open it. So this is what it looks like. These would actually make really pretty eyeshadows. I don't know about highlight. Let me see exactly what it is. This is, it is a highlighter. That's crazy. Like, I wouldn't use that as a highlighter. Shh, stop, stop. I would not use this as a highlighter, but I would use it for eyeshadows. And this retails for $36, which is insane. I mean, maybe on different skin tones this would look better, but I'm not into purple. I'm into natural looking stuff. So not the most excited about that, but it's still nice to try out the brand and see how their products work. The next thing that's in the box, is this what's heavy? No, this is still so heavy. The next thing that's in the box is this eyeshadow palette right here. It's Hipdot is the name of it. And it retails for $30. So let's just go ahead and get into this. What is this gonna look like? Ooh, really pretty. So a lot of purple shades. So I'm sure if someone got this that is into like more out there kind of makeup, this is a highlight with these eyeshadows. Would be really, really pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch some of these to see the pigment. So that is one of the shades called Wild River. Whisper. This is another purple shade. That's a really pretty plum shade. Like, that'll look really, really pretty on. And let me go ahead and do Grounded. That looks like a really pretty shade for fall. Yes, look at that. Let me go ahead and do a transition shade here with my pinky. It's called Sandstone. Ooh, that's a really pretty transition shade. It's not like really picking up, but it's really pretty. That would be a great transition shade. So I will be doing tutorials with this palette. So if you want to see those tutorials, don't forget to hit the notification bell down in the corner below and subscribe. That way you'll be able to see the look that I create, because I always do looks with the makeup that I create. And I'm sorry that I'm recording in my kitchen. We have some friends staying with us, so I have been booted out of the room that I normally record in because that's my spare room and I have nowhere else to record. Okay. So the next thing that I see in the box is this, and this is a deep conditioning mask. I need this so bad. Oh my gosh. And it is by Keratherapy, and this retails for $24, and that's awesome because if I love this stuff, I can afford that. Let me go ahead and open it because I will be using this. I actually bought one from, is it Moroccan? I think that's what it's called. Or American oil, or it's something like that. It was like $30. It smells really good. It actually smells just like this. So if you got this, that's what this smells like. They actually smell exactly the same. What is that scent? I don't know what that scent is, but they both smell the same. Can you imagine if they're the same thing? Yes, super excited about that because my hair needs it. It was like being on keto, my hair started falling out and just getting really dry at the end. So I've been taking my collagen pills and now trying to take care of my hair. There is something else in here. What is this? And it is this. This is what was heavy. This was super heavy. And this is 111 Skin. And they are face masks. I'm not really big on face masks. Like, I'll use them every now and then. This retails for $135. And it is a Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And there's 5 packs in here, which is insane. I have tried, is it Tose? Maybe it's the same brand. I may have already tried this brand. Because I remember it being like 2, but it was SKI as well. But it may be a different brand. And they're really expensive, but I had got them sent to me to try out. So that's expensive. This is what the face masks look like. And I'm not gonna put one on right now. I'll maybe save that for another video, a get ready with me or something. But $135, that's expensive. And I think that's everything that I received in this month's box. Like I said, it was for variation number 21. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add all this up together and tell you the total retail value of this box. So the total value of this month's box was $408, which is insane. I think that's the most expensive box that I've actually ever received. And like I said, I think this was a big bang inside this box. Overall, I'm really happy with this box. I am probably most excited about the hair mask just because I really, really, really needed a new hair mask. Like I said, I just bought that other one, but I like trying, like switching out my hair mask. Probably my least favorite thing out of the box would be this, and it's just because they're not really highlights that I would gravitate to. Just kind of out there, if you know what I mean. But I will use them as eyeshadows. And I don't know, my next probably favorite thing would be either this or the brushes. These are like, I don't know, in the face mask. I don't know, I actually like everything. Like, I'm not complaining about anything in this month's box. Overall, I'm really, really happy. And yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. And yes, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.